Hey everyone, it's that Math Magician. On this video, we're going to take another look at similarity with triangles, and we want to prove are two triangles similar using our angle method. So let's jump right into this example problem where I have two triangles that happen to be connected here with point H, and we want to prove are those two triangles similar. Remember, similar just means that one triangle is a dilated version of the other. Right? It's either gotten bigger or it's gotten smaller, or it might even been the same, but it has to be that same shape. And we can use angle to help us with this problem. The reason why I know I'm using angle here is I don't know any side lengths for these two triangles. Notice that on all of those sides over there, there's no markings, there's no numbers. So there's no way I can talk about a zoom factor for those sides because I don't have enough information. But I think I do have enough information for angle to work here because of the fact that I already have one pair of matching angles. I hope we can all see that angle T here and angle G are the same angle. They both equal 61 degrees. So that's our first pair of angles. And I'm going to go ahead and throw that into our flowchart as our first fact, that the measure of angle T equals the measure of angle G. That is our first fact for our flowchart because we know that they're both 61 degrees. That problem told us that. So we're good. Now, what we need is one more pair of angles to show that these triangles are similar. And you might be thinking, S and F look like they're the same angle, but we don't know that. There's no markings there to show that. But what I do want you to focus in on is what's happening there at the center at point H. Notice I have two lines that are intersecting. When we have two lines that intersect, it creates vertical angles. And that is exactly what we have going on here. Vertical angles, remember, angles that are opposite are going to be equal. So I know that this angle on the left side and this angle on the right side are going to be the same angle because of vertical angles. And that is going to be our second pair of angles to show that these are similar. So let's go ahead and call this one on the left. We cannot call it H because there are two angles here at H. But what I can call this one is THS. So I'm going to call that the measure of angle, THS. It's going to equal the measure of angle, GHF. GHF. That is our second fact of our flowchart, and that is enough for us to conclude in our conclusion now that triangle THS is similar to triangle GHF. And what did we use? We used angle similarity. There you go. You gotta look for clues. When you're trying to prove that two triangles are similar, what you're looking for are facts. The facts go in the top of your flowchart here, and you just have to find out what angles match each other. It's that Math Magician, and I'll see you on the next video.